Hello guys, welcome back to another informative video business topics with another interesting topic, how to make money with crypto. If you want to make money by investing in cryptocurrency, you must know all the trading tricks that advanced traders are using to increase their incomes. We're going to look at the 5 simple ways to invest in cryptocurrency and generate a passive income with cryptocurrency investment strategy. The first one is long-term investing. It is the same as you invest in the stock market. Most traders use the HODL mentality. They hold a coin for the long term for the potential of profiting from the rise in price, and the second one is passive income from dividend payouts. Not all traders know that you can earn dividends from some cryptocurrencies. The third method is DeFi. This is the most exciting thing coming from crypto investors. The concept is that banks are centralized and owned by one entity, and decentralized means are owned by everyone who's participating in the financial pool. So when you use DeFi, you receive rewards and the transaction fees are shared with everyone. The fourth method is airdrop. That gives you the ability to earn free coins when a blockchain project distributes free coins or tokens to the cryptocurrency community. The fifth method is mining. Mining is the process of creating new bitcoins in the case of you're trying to mine Bitcoin. Each cryptocurrency has a finite number of coins. There are countless coins that you can mine. Following these steps, you may earn more and more from crypto. I hope you get to know much about how to make money through cryptocurrency. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.